The Three Little Pigs, The Little Red Hen, Little Red Riding Hood. Can you guess how this story are good? Yes. How this story are alike? There are all folktales. What makes a folktale a folktale? For one thing, these stories are very old. They have been told again and again and again. A long time ago, there were very few books. There was no television, so people told one another stories. Some people changed the story a little as they told it, but it was still the same story each time. Once upon a time, long ago in a faraway land, folktales often started with words like this. Words like this. There are many kinds of folktales. Some explain things. These stories might explain why animals live in a certain place. They might explain why people do certain things today. Some folktales are funny. Some folktales tell about animals that act like people. In some folktales, magical things happen. People can fly. People can fly. Animals can change into people. Trees can walk. Walk. Work.